In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to track email open rates in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or already a user, understanding how to track your email open rates can significantly enhance your marketing strategies and performance. So let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to visit the HubSpot homepage, open your internet browser and type in HubSpot's website URL. Once the page is loaded, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see the login button. Click on it to get started. This step is essential as logging in connects you to your HubSpot account where you can access all your marketing tools. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. This is your central hub for navigating through HubSpot's various features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page, as it is your gateway to all the marketing tools that HubSpot has to offer. Our next focus is under the Marketing tab, so go ahead and click on Marketing. This is where you can manage and analyze your marketing campaigns effectively. Once you've accessed the marketing section, you'll want to click on Email. Emails are one of the primary tools for any marketing campaign, and HubSpot offers a rich set of features to help you optimize them. By clicking Email, you'll be directed to a list of all your email campaigns. Here, you can see every email you've sent out, making it easy to pick and choose which campaign you want to analyze in detail. Now look for the All Emails tab. Clicking this will give you an overview of every email campaign you've sent. It's a great place to start if you're looking to identify areas for improvement or note any trends in your email performance. With the All Emails page open, it's time to dive into the data. You need to click on Analyze. This tab leads to a detailed analytics page. Here you can evaluate the performance of your emails in various metrics, helping you understand what's working and what needs tweaking. Finally, locate and click on the open rate. The open rate is a crucial metric that tells you how effective your subject lines and delivery times are. By examining this metric, you gain insights into your audience's engagement with your content. Understanding open rates can provide you valuable feedback on how to adjust your emails for better engagement. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to efficiently track your email open rates in HubSpot. It's an invaluable tool to fine-tune your marketing efforts and improve your communication strategies. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.